Okay, so Shivika got chicken pox.
Shivika, what happened to you?
I got chicken pox.
Yeah, chicken pox. But it makes us so happy. And
I got chicken pox.
okay. And
So what did
Shivika-
you wanted from so long?
Poopsie.
Okay, so after like 10 days or 15 days or 1 month, she was continuously demanding for Poopsie, which I don't really like at all.
I don't have Poopsie. Papa's name
But
is
because she got chicken pox and she was sad, as we can see.
Aww. So now Papa got something for Shivi. Woo! What is it? What is it?
It's a Poopsie.
Oh, give Papa a hug. Come on. Say thank you.
Tiki.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Are you happy now?
Yeah. I want to open it.
Why are you talking like this?
Yeah. That's really cheeky.
So, show me
So as
what
you
you
can
got.
see how happy is Shivika.
Oh, let me see. What is it? Ooh, cutie tootie surprise. Which color is it?
It's blue.
Ooh.
Mama, can you open it for me?
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Papa, how is it? It's good, but
Wait. Okay, so it's open now. Let's check out.
see this.
What is that?
That is. What is this?
Okay, so this thing has a manual,
I don't know.
Yeah, you need to read it first.
which is in every single language. Arabic, Russian, English.
Papa, how is open?
And we got another manual.
What's
Oh.
like this? Papa, you cannot
Its
have me.
contents.
You cannot have me, Papa. And then you
It's
see.
so crazy to see because it's just a slime, as far as I know.
Papa, I said to mommy.
Oh, so here we have got how to open this Poopsie. We need to see how we open the Poopsie, okay?
Oh, it's cutting.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Papa, I said to mommy, it's not slime. It's not potty. It's only slime.
Okay, I think we need a scissor.
Mommy, give me scissors.
Okay.